When it comes to managing your cryptocurrency, choosing the right wallet is crucial. Two popular options are Exodus Wallet and Trust Wallet. To determine which one is best for you in 2025, let's dive into their features and functionality. First, Exodus Wallet is a desktop and mobile wallet that supports over 100 different cryptocurrencies. It is known for its user-friendly interface and robust security features, including two-factor authentication and a password-protected wallet. Exodus also offers a built-in exchange, allowing you to trade your cryptocurrencies directly within the wallet. On the other hand, Trust Wallet is a mobile-only wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. It is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great option for beginners. Trust Wallet also offers a built-in Web3 browser, allowing you to interact with decentralized applications directly from your wallet. In terms of security, both wallets have their strengths and weaknesses. Exodus Wallet has a more comprehensive security suite, including two-factor authentication and a password-protected wallet. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, relies on the security of your mobile device, using features like Face ID and Touch ID to protect your wallet. When it comes to fees, Exodus Wallet does not charge any fees for sending or receiving cryptocurrencies. Trust Wallet, however, charges a small fee for certain transactions, such as exchanging one cryptocurrency for another. Ultimately, the choice between Exodus Wallet and Trust Wallet depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you prioritize a user-friendly interface and robust security features, Exodus Wallet may be the better choice. If you prefer a simple and easy-to-use mobile wallet with a built-in Web3 browser, Trust Wallet may be the way to go. It's also worth considering the level of control you want over your cryptocurrencies. Exodus Wallet offers more advanced features, such as the ability to customize your transaction fees and view your wallet's private keys. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, is more streamlined and user-friendly, but may not offer the same level of control. In conclusion, both Exodus Wallet and Trust Wallet are solid options for managing your cryptocurrency in 2025. By considering your individual needs and preferences, you can choose the wallet that best fits your lifestyle and investing goals. Remember to always prioritize security and take the necessary steps to protect your cryptocurrencies, regardless of which wallet you choose.